Yeah. So, good morning, children. We are continuing Taro's reward. Yeah. He was finding no for his father. He wanted. He was very hard-working boy, and he loved his parents very much. And he wanted his parents to be happy. Father wanted sake. SAKE. It is one drink. Pivani vastu hati. Yeah. Just last time we are seeing. It was where and he has gone there, na. He saw a beautiful little waterfall hidden behind a rock. There is kneeling down, and when he's taking water and when he's drinking, it was sake. SAKE. Hmm? And it was very, very delicious, very tasty. He's so happy. Quickly, fast. He's filling his pitcher, in which they carry water bags. Okay. The old man was delighted with the sake. He went home and gave to his father. After only one swallow, એટલે એક જ ઘૂંટડો ભર્યો of liquid, he stopped shivering. He was shivering because of cold, and did a little dance in the middle of the floor. He's so happy, he started dancing. Who? Taro's father. That afternoon, a neighbor stopped by for a visit. One neighbor came. Neighbors છે ને પંચાયત હોય. You know that? What happened? Taro's father politely offered her a cup of the sake. Taro's father is giving that sake to that neighbor also. The lady drank it greedily. The bukdani jab greedily means fast, and thanked the old man. Then Taro told her the story of the magic waterfall. Then Taro told, okay, this is the magic waterfall. It my son has found. Thanking them for the delicious drink, she left in a hurry. By nightfall, she had spread the story throughout the whole village. She told everybody, okay, there is one magic drink. That evening, there was a long procession of visitors to the woodcutter's house. Each man heard the story of the waterfall. બધાને ખબર પડે, and took a sip of the sake. બધા એમાંથી થોડું they drink. In less than an hour, the pitcher was empty. Within 1 hour, the pitcher એનું બધું empty થઈ ગયું. Next morning, Taro started for work even earlier than the morning before. He carried with him the largest pitcher he owned. Mottu pitcher is water bag type. He took with him. When he reached it, he found to his great surprise. He was surprised. Oh, all his neighbors were there. All his neighbors, બધા આડોશ પાડોશ ત્યાં. They were carrying pitchers, jars, buckets, anything they could find to hold magic sake. બધાને અમને magic નું મળશે water. Then one villager knelt and held his mouth under the waterfall to drink. One villager went and he drank that water. And then shouted angrily, water? Nothing but water. This is water. Sake nathi. Sake means that special drink. Others also tried, but there was no sake, only cold water. Cold water. Why? That I'll tell you. See, we have been tricked, shouted the villagers. Where is Taro? Where is Taro? Taro ne bolavo. Let us drown him in this waterfall. Chalo apne એને ડૂબાડી દઈએ. Let us put him in the waterfall. But Taro had been wise enough to slip behind a rock. When he saw how things were going, he was nowhere to be found. He was intelligent boy. He hid, છુપાઈ ગયો, behind one big rock. When he saw how things were, he came to know all were shouting, so he hid. Muttering their anger and disappointment, the villagers left the place one by one. One by one they went home. Taro came out from his hiding place. Was it true? He wondered. Was the sake a dream? Once more he caught a little liquid in his hand and put to his lips. It was the same fine sake. To the thoughtful son, the magic waterfall gave the delicious sake. To everyone else, it gave only cold water. Others all got cold water. Why? The story of Taro and his magic waterfall reached the emperor of Japan. He sent for the young woodcutter. He said, call him. And rewarded him with 20 pieces of gold. 20 pieces gold sonu. For having been so good and kind. He was very good and kind to his parents. Then he named the most beautiful fountain in the city after Taro. This, this said the emperor was to encourage all children to honor and obey their parents. Why did he get a good dream? Tell me. એને કેમ special મળ્યું magic? Because he loved his parents. પોતાના parents ni. He was careful also. He was looking after his parents. Yeah. So you all be good. Huh? Be like Taro. Okay. Bye everybody. So I'm completing this lesson. Sending you PDF which you will copy down. Okay. And I hope your test was good. Huh?